The Jags are rested and refreshed after a needed week off. Now they're back on the field, back on the road, and they welcome back their starting quarterback.
Have some fun, live in the moment, don't worry about the score, give it everything you got.
Hey man, turn up every play, man. You never know when your play gonna come. Just be ready. Y'all got that? Y'all just go ahead and get this done, man. Hey, win on me, win on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Soundbite.
Locked in. Ready to go to work, baby. Best job in the world. I get paid for this. They don't even know. I should dream about this since I was a kid. Every year, dream about this right here. 12 years here, still feel the same way, baby. Love the game.
They're in a playoff race, and it's muddled in the middle. A bunch of teams at 500 or right around that area, so the margin for error is very small. It starts today, a division game.
Third down and 3 from the 14-yard line. Shotgun for Brissett. 4-man front for Jacksonville. Dropping to throws Brissett. Moving around in the pocket, he gets hit. He's going to get sacked. He got him in the backfield. That is the rookie Josh Allen. That is his 8th sack of the year. What work by the rookie from Kentucky.
What are they talking about, bro?
You walk him, bro. I flushed him, you walk him. Take the field. Here we go, one play at a time, here we go.
Shotgun for Nick Foles. 3-man rush. Foles steps up, fires. That ball is going to be caught for the first down at the 40-yard line. D.D. Westbrook made the catch. They'll mark it at the 39 of Indianapolis. Long snap count here. They just get it off. He drops to throw. Nick fires, middle of the field. Caught by DJ Chark inside the 20, to the 15, to the 10, into the end zone. Touchdown, Jacksonville. Foles to DJ Chark. Chark attack, and the Jags strike first.
That ball was thrown on the money. It allows DJ Chark to catch the ball in stride and to keep running.
Yeah, baby, nice job.
Yeah, baby, don't look at the scoreboard. Don't look at the scoreboard. 0-0.
We're in the final minute of the quarter. Jags 7, Colts nothing. But the Colts are driving here at the 13-yard line. They give it to Marlon Mack, tries the middle of the field. Jags stack him up, spins away from a tackle, spins away from another tackle, got it inside the 5, runs to the pylon. That's going to be a touchdown. Mack was hit 2 or 3 times in the middle of the field, kept spinning away from tackles, and then ran it into the end zone for the 13-yard score. Shotgun for Brissett, 5:29 to play, 10-7, Colts lead it. It's a blitz. Rolling to the right. He's hit and sacked by DJ Hayden. He was shot out of a cannon, was DJ. Sacked him inside the 15-yard line.
What a play, DJ.
So all else failed, get penetration front side.
Because what they're doing is a lot to outside zone and then cut that back. So if we get that thing knocked back on the front side, the backside pursuit is just going to make that play.
Brissett hit from behind and loses the football. It's loose. No signal yet. And the Colts have it.
Oh boy, now 7 games against the Colts, and Ngakoue has 6.5 sacks, and that's a caused fumble. Does a great job beating Costanzo, the left tackle, around the outside edge. Gets the ball out, and just an unfortunate bounce that the Jaguars weren't able to recover. That's a clear caused fumble.
Let me work. Let me work out here. Let's go. Come on, you next.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
We have played 30 minutes. Colts 10, Jags 7. So now it's 3rd and 19 from the 24. You got to get off the field here. It's a little screen to Williams, lined up as a wide receiver, and he is into the open field. They're going to convert this first down. They lined up Williams, the running back, as a wide receiver. They ran a wide receiver screen, and he got it all the way down to the 45-yard line of Jacksonville. That's a 31-yard play, and folks, that is a dagger. Shotgun, dropping to throws Brissett, looking, scrambling again, rolling to his right, still looks into the end zone, fires, and that ball is caught for a touchdown. Wow.
He's running around buying time and allows Marcus Johnson to get away from the coverage of A.J. Boye. That should have been a sack. Somehow, some way, that should have been a sack, and the Jaguars should have taken over.
If we gonna miss, we gotta miss swarming. He's getting one-on-one tackles, but he's setting up and nobody's coming after we get in the gap, and some people staying out. Like on that stretch, he got Abe out of his gap.
Well, this is where you have to find some way to get a turnover, a negative play, at least just hold this Colts team to a field goal.
Play fake. Brissett rolls to the right. He's going to try and run it in. He runs it into the end zone for the touchdown. A 5-yard touchdown run by Jacoby Brissett, and the Colts have extended the lead here at Lucas Oil Stadium.
Punt by Cook. No, it hit a Colt player. It hit an Indianapolis Colts. Jaguars saying they have it. Jacksonville football. Okereke, the rookie linebacker, right on his left knee, and Payne pounces on it. And now the Jaguars take over at the Colts' 29-yard line. Lambeau has made 24 in a row, which ties his own franchise record set last season. This is from 46 yards away, and it's no good.
Boy, you know nothing's going right when Lambeau Maddock misses what is a pretty easy field goal from 46 yards. That's easily within his range.
Inside handoff. This is the third running back, Hines, and he is into the end zone. He twisted his way in there, dragged the defender with him. It is a touchdown for Indianapolis, and this thing's turning into a blowout.
I mean, right now, after that touchdown right there, it's officially a blowout.
They got after us pretty good. We practice well, we prepare well, we don't perform well, and that's on me. What I'm really focused on is, how do I get this team to perform better on Sunday? That's what's getting me, because obviously I'm responsible for that, and I'm not getting that right now.